Hey, and welcome to Alpha. I'm now going to show you my strategy for binary option pocket option broker. You can actually copy every single trade seeing the screen while I trade live. If you want to do that, easy. Just use the link you see up here right now or the link you find below the video. And you can copy me, follow me, learn from me while I'm trading. This is Monday to Friday, so 5 times a week, completely for free. So use the link you find below. Now, I'll just take a trade. It's Sunday, so I'm not going to trade too much today. So let's see if we can just find us a good trade and we will get started. So now let's see what we can find today. Basically, I'm looking at specific areas to trade. This is my trading style. Have a very high win rate, so here's a good place to go in. Let's do a $100 trade there. If we come down to this region here, we are looking for a buy or higher. Now let's see. We see we have a downwards trend, so we also maybe should think about doing a sell trade up. If we do a, let's take a line around, let's take it there. There we can do a lower, and here we do a higher. So now let's see which one comes first. Might be lower. Let's see. And there you have a very good entry. We keep it at a 30 seconds closing. So from this trade we'll make ourselves a nice $66 in just seconds. That's easy. So like I said, if you want to trade with me, take trades like I do. You see I make a specific area where I trade. It's very easy for you to copy. And you can make money together with me just like this. And there you have it. $66 profit. It's that easy. So if you think you want to make some money with binary option, stop losing money, well, now you have the opportunity. Join me with the link below. Completely for free, 5 days a week. So with that, have an amazing Sunday.